Hello there, Carlos here. Do you know how to use the dental floss? The first thing that you need to do is grab a piece of floss that is pretty much the same length of your arm. Once you have the floss in hand, all you need to do is you're going to roll it on your mid finger of one hand and you're going to roll it on the mid finger of the opposite hand. Then you're going to roll everything only in one side, and then after using this piece of floss, all you have to do is you're going to release from one side and roll it over on the other hand. So you always have a clean piece of floss. Once again, release from one side, roll it over in the other hand. Now let's go to the model, because I'm going to show you how to use the dental floss as well as how to clean fixed retainer on your lower teeth using SuperFloss and Interdental brushes. So whenever we're using the floss, one thing that we need to know is where the floss is actually cleaning. So when you look at the teeth, it has a virtual angle that goes from the flat surface and creates the interproximal space. So with the floss, we can clean that surface. The second area that we clean with the floss is the contact point, where one teeth is touching the other. And the third part that the floss cleans is the margins of the gums, where the tooth goes inside the gum. We naturally have a little space that is in between teeth and gum that it goes from 1 to 3 millimeters. And with the dental floss, we can go under the gum and clean that area. If the space in between teeth is too tight, instead of trying to force the floss in, all you have to do is do a little bit of back and forth movement as if you're cutting a piece of bread until you go all the way down inside the gum margin. Once you reach the gum margin, all you have to do is put a little bit of pressure against the tooth and you're going to scrub that surface, cleaning underneath the gum, the angle as well as the contact point of the tooth. Once you do 3 to 5 movements on one side, all you have to do is switch to the other side and do exactly the same on the other tooth. And you come out. If you're gonna clean teeth at the back, I'm gonna show you down here, it's easy for you to see. Make the floss a little bit longer in between your hands, and with 2 fingers you're gonna go all the way inside your mouth, a little bit of back and forth so you can pass the contact point, all the way under the gum, slightly pressure against the tooth, and you're gonna do movements from the gum out. So you can remove everything that is inside the gum. Then you just pull the teeth, the floss against the front teeth, a little bit of scrubbing from the gum out, and then you come out, and that's it. Roll it in one hand, release from the other hand. You have a clean part of the floss to clean the next tooth. Once again, back and forth, past the contact point, all the way under the gum, a little bit of pressure against the tooth, scrub up and down, pull against the front tooth, go under the gum again, scrub up and down, and then you come out. If you have fixed retainers on the front teeth, it's very unlikely that you can clean with the floss in that area. So there are a few things that you can do to clean under the retainer as well as the margins of your gums, either using SuperFloss or Interdental brushes. The SuperFloss is similar to regular floss with a little difference. It has a very hard side that you can use as a needle to thread under the retainer. So you're just going to pass it under the retainer in between teeth, pull it on the other side. Once you get to the piece of floss, it's exactly the same thing that we did before. Just roll it in one hand, roll it in the other hand. You're going to go all the way under the gum line, a little bit of pressure against the tooth, scrub up and down, switch sides, do exactly the same with the other tooth, and then you come out. You're going to do it again with the next tooth, thread under the wire in between teeth, pull it from the other side, roll it in one finger, roll it in the other finger, all the way under the gum, Scrub 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All done. Pull it, and that's it. Another method that we have to clean under the wire is by using interdental brushes. This one is a Tepe Interdental brush. All you have to do, come with the little brush in between teeth. If it's a little bit too hard to go through, don't force it. Go to the next one, inside the gap. If you feel that the metal of the brushes are touching the tooth, go to a smaller size. If you feel that the brush is too loose inside the gap, you can go to a bigger size. All you have to do is, you're gonna go in and out, cleaning the flat surface of the interproximal part of your teeth. Then you're just gonna bend a little bit to clean one tooth, to the other side so you can clean the other tooth, and then a little bit upwards so you can clean part of the contact point. And then you come out. Go to the next gap, push through, in and out, cleaning the flat surface of that tooth. Bend to one side to clean one, bend to the other side to clean the other one, and a little bit up to clean the contact point. If you were to use the Tepe brush to clean posterior teeth, all you have to do is bend the brush 90 degrees, and you're going to use the handle to hold your cheek, go in between teeth. It's too tight here. It's too tight here. Let's try the next one. It's also too tight here. This one is comfortable. So in and out. Brush the back tooth. Brush the front tooth. And brush the contact point. And you come out. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share with friends and family. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we can try to answer it to you by creating new content. And all the items that we recommend for you to maintain a good quality of oral health are listed in the description of this video. Have a really good day. Thank you very much.